manufacturing matters a great deal and continues to matter a great deal. I think all too often in our conversation, we tend to think of manufacturing purely in employment terms. That's an important aspect of it, but there are other significant contributions that manufacturing makes. First, you look at the contributions to value-added growth. In advanced economies, which is what the global sample is, manufacturing makes up about 16% of value-added growth as a share of the advanced economies' growth. In the United States, that's 12%. You look at employment today, in the average sample here of advanced economies, it's about 14%. In the United States, about 9 or 10% at this point in time. Look at the contributions to exports. Look at the contributions to R&D. The R&D contribution is quite striking. If you look at all the private sector investment in R&D, which we tend to associate with innovation, fully 3/4 of that comes from this sector, from manufacturing. You look at contributions to productivity growth, value-added growth. Clearly, the glaring point there is what's happened with employment growth, and we'll come back to that in a second. As you can see, that's been largely in decline, but we'll come back to that point. There are also other indirect contributions. One of the ones that I think we've all experienced and benefited from as consumers is the huge amount of consumer surplus that we've all benefited from the products and services of this industry. Think about what, adjusted for quality, what we now get in the form of cars, smartphones, and all the different products that we all enjoy. That's massive amount of consumer surplus that we've all benefited from.